view new homes, make sure you smash that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to never miss new awesome homes like these.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to your potential new home in beautiful Brownville, Maine. Prepare to be enchanted as we explore this stunning contemporary cabin nestled on 2 acres of pristine wilderness. This is not just a house. It's a year-round retreat that seamlessly blends modern comfort with rustic charm. As we step inside, you'll immediately notice the warmth and coziness of this cabin. Designed for year-round living, it offers you the perfect escape in every season. Whether you're yearning for a cozy winter hideaway or an adventurous summer retreat, this cabin has you covered. One remarkable feature that sets this property apart is its full connectivity. Stay connected with the world while surrounded by nature. This cabin is fully on-grid with reliable internet access. So, whether you need to work remotely, stream your favorite shows, or simply stay in touch with loved ones, you can do so seamlessly. Now, let's talk about the great outdoors. Imagine stepping out of your door and onto a trail that leads you to the breathtaking natural beauty of the Brownville area. Whether you're an avid hiker, biker, or snowmobiler, you'll find the convenience of trail access right at your doorstep. The modern conveniences of this cabin further enhance your experience. Say goodbye to traditional outhouses, as this property features a drilled well and septic system. Washer and dryer hookups ensure your stay remains comfortable and worry-free, allowing you to focus on enjoying the serene surroundings. Now, let's move on to the entertainment oasis. Picture yourself on the amazing front patio, perfect for grilling and entertaining. Gather around the fire pit with friends and family, create lasting memories, and take in the tranquil surrounding. This is not just a home, it's a space to connect, unwind, and appreciate the beauty of nature. And of course, don't miss your chance to own this unique cabin that combines the best of both worlds. A deep woods retreat with all the modern amenities you desire. Brownville, Maine, offers a peaceful escape from the hustle and bustle of city life, and this cabin is your ticket to the serenity of the great outdoors. Contact us today to schedule a viewing and make this dream cabin your own. For the price of $219,900, you can experience the beauty, comfort, and adventure that await in Brownville, Maine. This is not just a home, it's an opportunity to embrace a lifestyle of tranquility and natural splendor.